Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundation. Well, today I'm going to be trying out the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. Finally was able to get my hands on the right color. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment, hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see my thoughts on this, then just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, I finally did it. I got the right shade of the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. Now this is available in 45 shades. I think that is just amazing, and maybe that's why I had such a hard time coming up with the right color match for me. I finally went into Ulta and I just kind of had to, since they don't do testers on drugstore ones, I just had to kind of look at it and see if it would be a good match. And I think it's actually going to be too dark even. So I did return the other two. I still have one floating around somewhere. But I also finally picked up the Makeup Revolution concealer, so that'll be coming up soon. I have the bottles. I know where they're at now, so we won't have a problem with those getting lost. What else about this? It's only available at Ulta. It costs $14.99 and you get the standard 1 fluid ounce. It says it's good for normal oily combination and sensitive skin, but it doesn't say anything about dry skin, so this will be a little bit interesting because my skin is more on the dry side. I have gone in and heavily moisturized my skin just to be on the safe side. So it says this is a lightweight, waterproof, and pigmented AF NYX Professional Makeup's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation hustles as hard as you do. This comfy liquid formula comes in 45 flattering tones that don't transfer. Like that. Every creamy shade glides on smooth, delivering matte coverage and color that stays true for up to 24 hours. This little overachiever also works to control shine and mattify your complexion all day long. And then as far as application goes, it says you can use a sponge, a brush, or your fingers. So as always, I'm going to do one side of my face with my sponge and the other with a flat top kabuki brush. So I have gone in, I have primed, I have under eye color corrected, a little bit too much maybe. Hopefully it's not showing up on screen here. So let's go in. You get the standard pump on it. It's a glass bottle. I'll just put one pump on for now and see how far that goes. I have used this one other time, so I'm going to save all of my opinions on this until the end of the video. Because if I tell you right now, then you can just quit watching. Yeah, this is more yellow than I would have liked, but I was able to make it work. I think with 45 shades it would have been a lot easier, but gosh, when they don't let you test these and see how they look, it's impossible. Okay, I would not even begin to call that full coverage. I am seeing a lot of my skin through this. Hopefully you can see this too, but I have a lot of my skin hyperpigmentation and stuff coming through. So let's go on to the brush side, and I'm just going to squirt directly onto the brush. So we're applying the same amount. I did not use a brush the last time I used it. I only used a sponge for some reason, so brush is new to me. With this one. I need to go in with some more, and this time I'm going to go in with my finger and apply it. Just to the areas I need more coverage. I do like the brush coverage better. I think it's giving me better coverage. It seems that if you try and wipe it, it like wipes it off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tap it in with the brush and then go in with the sponge and kind of press it in a little better. I don't feel like this is spreading out very well. Not sticking it all right in there, so let's go in with a little bit more. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. This looks like crap. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to zoom you guys in and give you a close-up of how this is looking. So hold on just a second. All right, I am hoping the camera's going to pick this up because it looks so bad all in here. Even though I went in with pore filling primer and it wasn't sticking at first, it just looks really patchy in here. And then even though I went on the second layer, I'm still seeing a lot of my skin showing through. It's just not blending out. I mean, I have a big spot right here. It is missing. See, I won't even adhere to it. And then all around here is just very cakey and thick and uneven. It's definitely collecting in my smile lines here. Look at that. Yeah, it's not showing up there. Let me try just to salvage it and see if using my Juno sponge can help it at all. I always try and use the same sponge on every foundation. I'm not patting hard. No, see, can you see that? Right here is just a big blob missing. Here, here, all in there. My nose is already getting the little dots all over on it, and my pores look horrendous there. Ooh, I don't like this one at all. I'm going to take some still shots and see if I can get them looking, or get a really good shot of how this is looking. So hold on and I'll get that done. All right, I've been dinking around with this for the last 10 minutes and I can't get this to work at all. It just looks awful, as you will have seen in the close-up photos. So again, it's just giving me bald patches all over the place. It's not blending in. My nose has those little dot things that happen. It is just so cakey looking, and I don't even have powder on yet, you guys. Yeah, see, it's like not adhering to all places on my face, and I have tried with both the brush and the sponge. I don't know. My fingers. It's dried down. Yeah, see, when I do this, it just takes more away. So I don't agree that it's transfer proof. Let's test that. So I'm going to press a white pad. Okay, it's working, but the problem is if I were just to barely, see, that took it off. I don't know if you can see it very good on there. That's right there. But if I were to like brush up against a white shirt or something, yeah, it's coming off. All right, this one is just not something I can even salvage, and I do need to do the rest of my makeup today because I'm shooting some other videos. So I am not going to continue on with this. We're just going to call a timeout right here, and I'm going to move on to a different foundation. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'm so glad I went through all this trouble to get my hands on this. So I will be returning yet another bottle of this. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. I do upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursdays are my Battle of the Foundation. And if you enjoyed the video and feel sorry for me that I have to start all over with my makeup, give this a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, feel free to leave those below as well. So as always, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.